Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can delete your Messenger account. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. So first of all, open up your Messenger and navigate up to the top left. Click on these three vertical lines and go to settings. In here, if I move to account settings and then personal information and then manage account, here you can see we have a deactivate option. So previously here we have a delete option with this deactivate button, but for now Messenger removed that option, so you can delete your Messenger account. If you want to delete your Messenger account, then for that you have to delete your Facebook account directly. And to do that, simply open up your Facebook. Then simply navigate to settings. From here, go to access and control. And then tap on deactivation and deletion. And you can simply delete your account from here. And your Messenger account will also be deleted. So that's how you can delete your Messenger account. So all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching.